Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, 10th of June. Today, it's a little bit light on the economic side data of things, but we still got consumer inflation expectations for May ticking lower from 3.3 to 3.2. So that's the only news that we are going to see until Wednesday, in which we are going to have CPI and Fed interest rate decisions and economic projections. So until then, we still have to see how the bill auctions and the note auctions are still showing higher interests. But I think today it's quite interesting because I was waiting for the market to just chop like we did into the overnight, into the open. But then something interesting starting to show up is that we started to open up. We open up, pull back, and started to grind higher lows, higher highs, because basically Nvidia stopped chopping around, Meta opened up 1.50, and Apple, despite the initial pullback, it's now starting the WWDC, the developer conference, right now. And I think we have some potential upside, and the Nasdaq, it's pretty honestly quite surprisingly bullish today. Because ahead of big economic data, we usually tend to range day and just chop until those news. And this Wednesday is a conjunction of the CPI and also the interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve. So I didn't expect to really start pushing this 1 hour fair value gap. So I was just waiting. I didn't have a trade today. I was watching these overnights pivots that we took and we manipulated to the downside, but we never got that imbalance. I don't feel confident trading these inverse, and I didn't get the opportunity either. So just watching the price action and trying to have more and more hours on this market that is quite choppy today, but still quite impressive trend. The dollar is in the green, but also, as you can see, quite volatile, up, down, up, down. I mean, the euro, it's feeling the pain due to the news that got out from the elections on the weekend. So Tesla is also in the red, but Microsoft is also in the green. But the most interesting thing is that the banks are all in the red. XLF is actually 0.63 today. And that's pretty bad, pretty bad. The S&P and the small caps push higher despite the fact that the entire financing sector is in the pain. But as I said, quite surprising day, quite bullish, and we took several liquidity to the upside, and right now it's just everyone is watching Apple. And the developer conference, Apple is looking quite bullish. As I said, I think Apple is gonna push high of day for the stock, and that might push even higher the Nasdaq. We are quite there in terms of all-time highs. We are at 0.25. That's quite surprising. For a no-news Monday, this is quite impressive. So I told you on the weekly recap that we were lagging on the daily. We got a big push, consolidation, and I'm waiting for that. But I think that I initially thought that we were not going to push until Wednesday. But as I said, this market is quite bullish. So you never know, and anything can happen. So right now it's quite difficult, quite tricky. We have the point of control flipping upside, and the upside potential is quite low. We have only Apple volatility on the developers conference right now, and Nvidia is quite bullish. I mean, I'm already late for the move. So basically, I have to sit down this one until tomorrow or maybe Wednesday, waiting for more volatility. And that's my thoughts. I'm not going to chase this. I didn't feel confident since the beginning. So it's just another Monday in which, well, there will be more opportunities. So that's my approach to the markets. And I hope you also understand that. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you have If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that the trading day is not over yet. Quite a bullish day. I'm just throwing the towel, waiting for tomorrow. I didn't trade today, so I mean, there will be more opportunities. So I'm being patient, I'm being disciplined, and I'm managing my risk today. So tomorrow will be another day. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.